Hey everyone, it's Anna here, and welcome back to the For Real YouTube channel. And today we're tackling a super common but tricky issue, dealing with a blacklisted IMEI or bad ESN on your phone. Whether it's an Apple or an Android device like Samsung, you might have heard about various services or software claiming to clean up your IMEI. Honestly, a lot of these can be risky, costly, and sometimes they don't even work. But don't worry, I've got your back. Stick with me because I'm going to show you a way better, safer, and absolutely free method that's not just quick but guaranteed to solve your problem. Let's dive right in. Just a heads up, this info is only for responsible use. It's meant for people who actually own their device and have just forgotten their login details. We don't support using this info to bypass security on stolen devices. Make sure to respect the law and other people's rights. Our video follows all of YouTube's rules and community standards. Now, let's get back to it. So diving right into the services you might come across when trying to deal with a blacklisted IMEI. There are a few standout options that really help without making a dent in your wallet. First up, there's Unlock Here's AI-powered unlocking web app. It's super modern, totally free, and by far the fastest way to get your phone back in action. It uses smart technology to sort things out quickly and easily. Then we have Safe Unlocks. These guys have been around for a while and have built up a solid rep for being reliable. The best part, it only costs $1 to use their service, which is pretty sweet considering the hassle they save you. And if you're dealing with a really stubborn IMEI blacklist issue, ESN Doctor specializes in this area. They've focused their service to specifically tackle blacklist problems, making them a go-to for tougher cases. Each of these services offers a unique approach to removing a blacklisted IMEI. So depending on your situation, one might suit you better than the others. Stick around because next we're going to dive into how you can use Unlock Here's AI unlocking assistant to clear that blacklist status off your device. Stay tuned. Let's walk through the steps to remove the blacklist on your IMEI using unlockhere.com. 1. Open your preferred browser on either your phone or computer and navigate to unlockhere.com. This is where we'll start the process to clear the blacklist on your IMEI. Upon arriving at the site, you'll meet Nifty, the AI tool developed by the Unlock Here team. Scroll down slightly until you find the Fix IMEI Blacklist option. Go ahead and select that. The next step is simple. Just select the brand of your device from the list provided. The app supports all major and several medium-sized brands. After you've selected your brand, click the Next button. You'll now need to enter your device's IMEI or serial number. If you're not sure how to find this, there's a tutorial available right in the app. On your phone, open the dial pad and type *#06#. A pop-up will appear showing your device's information, including the IMEI number. Next, you'll need to fill out some contact information. Please enter your name and email address. Make sure to review and agree to the terms and conditions of the app. If you have any questions, the app provides resources for more information. After submitting your request, keep an eye on your email. You should receive a confirmation email with the details of your unlock within 5-15 minutes. Sometimes these emails can end up in your spam or promotions folder, so it's good to check there too. Once you receive your email, it will contain a verification code. To proceed, copy this code, then click on Confirm My Order. Paste your verification code on the provided page, complete the CAPTCHA, and click on Validate Info and start Unlock. And that's it. Nifty, the AI-powered tool, does the heavy lifting from here. The final step is to simply insert a compatible SIM card and restart your device. This process is just a few steps, and before you know it, you'll have successfully removed the blacklist IMEI from your device using unlockhere.com. If any issues arise, rest assured that you can chat with live support on the site at any time. But we're not finished quite yet, so stay tuned. It's important to note that the unlock services we've discussed primarily work in first world countries. If you're unable to access these services or prefer not to use them, don't worry. We offer 250 unlocks every week for our viewers. To enter the giveaway, simply like this video, subscribe to our channel, and comment below with your phone model, your IMEI number, and your country. You're automatically entered into the giveaway as soon as these steps are completed. Make sure you follow each step to qualify. Alright guys, here are some more alternative ways to do this and provide a few more solutions to remove an IMEI blacklist from your device. First off, touching base with your carrier can be a straightforward approach. If you've got the proof of ownership, like a receipt or any document that shows you're the legit owner of the device, this can help a lot. Just show them what you've got, and they might be able to clear the blacklist for you. Now, if your phone was reported lost or stolen and it turns out you've actually recovered it, make sure to let your carrier know. Often, they'll be able to remove the blacklist status once they verify everything's in order. Another smart move is to keep an eye on your IMEI status. Blacklists aren't set in stone. They get updated now and then. There are tons of online IMEI status checkers out there. Use one regularly to see if anything has changed regarding your device's status. And if you're hitting a wall with all these options, it might be time to consider getting some legal advice. If your device was wrongfully blacklisted and you're getting nowhere with the carrier, consulting a legal professional could be your next step. Keep in mind though, this route can be pricey and time-consuming, so think of it as a last resort. If these tips helped you, or if you have any other questions, definitely drop a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming videos. Thanks again for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one.